Hey guys, this is Josh with Biggs Harley Davidson and North County Indian, right here in San Marcos, California. Today's bike of the day is this beautiful 2015 CVO Limited. This is a two-tone pale silver with maroon. Now this model has basically everything upgraded already for you. Lockable bags with a remote with two key fobs. This model has 33,423 miles on her. This is going to be a 110 cubic inch with a 6-speed transmission. Screaming Eagle is in the air cleaner and on the exhaust. This is how she sounds when she's alive. If you have any questions, you might be interested in a test ride, please give us a call right here at Biggs Harley Davidson, North County Indian. See you when you get here.